Dear students, look at the screen. There are letters on left side and pictures on right side. Now one by one, we will read the letters and circle the related objects from the given options. V. Now find the related pictures. Very good. It's was and when. Next letter is E. Now recognize the relevant pictures. Excellent. Egg and elephant. J. Now identify the relevant pictures. Wonderful! It's jug and jacket. L. Now find the relevant pictures. Amazing! It's lamp and lemon. Excellent job! Log on to our website www.pen.org.pk. Thank you.